Detachable welfare wheelchair. Effect display and operation. Access can be controlled by remote control devices. Remote control handle and wireless remote control function introduction. Long press the button. Hydraulic drive is more stable, precise, and without friction. Release the handle to stop during operation. Mechanical linkage retractable wheels saves more space inside the car. Only when lowered to the ground with a beep can the wheelchair be rolled out smoothly. Honeycomb wheels, shock absorption, and stable ride. Backrest adjustable 180, ergonomically designed for the most comfortable sitting angle. Detachable foldable one-way footrest, long press the button to unlock the lock. The footrest can be folded inwards. Lift up to remove. Align the pedal to the interface and gently push it inward to complete the restoration. The leg rest can be adjusted in 3 levels, and you can choose to wear it or not. Both armrests can be adjusted up and down. It is convenient for users to transfer more easily during the movement process. Brakes on both sides to prevent accidental sliding when necessary. Disc brake, safer and reliable. Power pedals, easily moving on uneven roads. Hidden storage space, meeting daily travel needs. Adjustable and removable headrest, meet the different needs of more customers. Make the seat fit the equipment perfectly. The wheels align with the slots and the wheelchair is in place. 2 pairs of safety buckles at the bottom to prevent accidental sliding during driving. Wheelchair chest strap, prevent falls and maintain sitting posture. 3-point seat belt, prevents accidental sliding and makes travel safer. Long press the up button to easily get on the bus. Super strong load-bearing capacity of 300 caddies. The upgraded medium and large commercial vehicles provides better comfort for passengers. Leather, color, quilting, etc. can be customized. A beep indicates that the wheelchair has been retracted into place. Door interlock. After closing the door, the seat buttons will be unavailable immediately. Preventing battery drain. Opening the door will wake up the handle and resume device operation. We will help every person with limited mobility to travel freely.